I now have the great honor of introducing the director of the Marion County Public Health Department. Make no mistake, there is no finer director of public health in the nation than the great one, Dr. Virginia Caine. Everybody else wants her, but they can't have her because we've got her. Dr. Caine.
Well, I'm not a child prodigy like Lisa. You know, I really want to thank Matt, Lisa, and Brian for bringing this wonderful accomplishment to our community. You know, our health and the health of all of our Indianapolis residents in Marion County depend on a number of factors. And fundamentally, it comes to, hi Robin, it comes to how well we take care of ourselves and what resources we bring to bear to take care of ourselves. And I believe that this tremendous partnership announcement today gives the people of Indianapolis and Marion County an invaluable new resource, and that is access to quality care across our geography of our entire community, but it's able to contribute to all of us in terms of taking care of ourselves and just the array of resources that's now going to be available for people who otherwise would not have had those services. Now, we both know that the Community Health Network and Eskenazi or Wishard-Eskenazi health systems are two health systems that really stress the importance of preventive care, of staying healthy and taking care of our body. And although they are both great hospitals, I think the real strength of them is that we're going to have a comprehensive primary care network that focuses on keeping the people in these neighborhoods healthy, that they provide those services and they're entrenched in their communities. So at its core, this partnership is an outstanding example of excellence and high performance who put their patients in their communities first. So when Matt told me about this, I can't remember that movie with Tom Cruise where they said, hello? You know, I was already sold. Right. You had me at hello, that's right, exactly. So I remember back in 2009 when we had that great big H1N1 epidemic. And at that time, we had like 10,000 emergency visits where patients were jamming the emergency rooms with the flu, and unfortunately, we had some deaths and a lot of complications with the hospitals. So we had to make a quick decision of that week, and we said we have to vaccinate all of the children because they're the highest transmitters. And that decision was made on a Wednesday morning, and I had the ability to have to call all the CEOs of the hospital to try to get that help. First hospital I called, besides Wishard, was Community Hospital. And I was thinking I was going to get Bill Corley, and the secretary said, well, we've changed now. We have a new CEO, and his name is Brian Mills, but his secretary, administrative assistant, said, I have to tell you, he's at a retreat. He's having his first meeting with all of his key staff, and he's going to be gone away for the day. And I'm saying to myself, I have to have these nurses by Friday, this is Wednesday, by Friday to do the training, and we got to start with all the school systems in Warren Township by Monday. And she says, well, I don't think he's going to be able to call you today, but I'll make sure he gets this message tomorrow, but he may call in. So 7 o'clock Wednesday night, I get this call. And hi, I'm Brian Mills. I'm the new CEO of a community hospital. I heard that you had this problem where you want to vaccinate all the children in Warren Township. And I says, yes, and I says, I know it's short notice. I'm going to need them in 48 hours, and I'm going to need quite a bit of your nurses because I have to take care of every school system in Warren Township with your nurses. He says, I want you to call this person, our chief of nursing, tomorrow. You just tell her how many nurses you need, and I guarantee you they'll be there on Friday. So that's the kind of commitment to the people in their community and about their patients. It's just not about their patients. It's about how they're serving the folks in their community and what's for the betterment of Marion County. And I know Wishard-Eskenazi couldn't find a better partner than Community Health Network, because these are two institutions that continually to engage their community. They help define what the problems are, and they've come together to provide an innovative solution, primarily to expand access for those patients who otherwise wouldn't have it, and they know how to provide the resources. Thank you again, both Brian, Matt, Lisa, and all of the families and staff from both institutions. This is a great day for the city of Indianapolis, Mayor. Thank you.